Disruption, huh? Well, we don't want that happening. Hello, you praying? How you doing? What's up? We are at Krat Central Station, so, I scurred. It's gonna be to view the guide again. Yeah, I guess that's a hint. Unable to... Why? I can't do that. Oh, look. It's not too bad looking. Very freckled. Oh, slightly heavy? Oh, we can't have that. That's probably because of, Oh! Did I show you my other weapon? This? Ah! Yes! That and that. That's probably... Can you two-hand this? Oh, shit. Well, that was an oops. Let's just get back to the first one, then. Okay, so there's no two-handing weapons, and... Let's see what we got here. Oh, gee. Who this? Who that? Okay. Festival. This actually gives me BioShock feels. It reminds me of that. And that's what I thought in the trailer, too. Oh, who this? Who that? Oh my god. Okay. So it's a guy with an axe to grind with a basket. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, no, okay, that was bad. Bad. Okay. Well, I'm not a... Jeez. Well, blah, blah, blah. Whoa! There we are. Yeah, I'm not really, like, doing much. Alright. But then again, neither is he. Kind of stalemated a bit. That's my fault. Oh well. So I'm not perfect, deal with it. Oh! Okay. And there's a lot I'm not doing, I know. Alright. Well, that's all I got left. What's it gonna do? Let's find out. Let's see if I get it right. Let's see. Stop running. Let's see if that works. There's some fire at you. That's all I got. Well, probably should have used the other weapon. No, it's probably not that hard, though. Oh, well. Oh, well. Oh, what's that? What's that nonsense? Oh, well. Yeah. Lie or die, do or die, gung-ho. That's kind of expected, to be honest with you. Up. Doesn't seem... Oh, what? Oh, that's okay. So, something that... What is this? Death ergo is created at the... Oh, that's fair enough. That's actually a good thing, to be honest. I mean, I think it is. Alright, trying this again. Oh, look. So that's how this works. That's a good thing. Like, really? I think so. Give me that. Oh, look at all that stuff. Gee, I wonder if I should go back and do a leveling. I got those 3 things too. Ugh, half the time I don't know what I'm doing. I never know what I'm doing. That's sad. Okay, let's go through this, not fog wall. I cannot read that nonsense. Let's throw this. See if it does any good. Well, a little better. Oh, damn it. Oh, he pig mad! Oh, poor guy. I guess I'd be too bad all that shit all over me. Ah, damn it. Look, I'm trying. Okay, stamina's a problem. Of course it is, I'm using a strong weapon. Let's see. Ah, goddammit. Okay. Huh. I wish I could find some way. Come on. There, I got that. That's good, right? Oh, what is this? What are you doing? Oh, it has no head now. Oh dear. Oh, help. Doesn't have a head. He pig mad. Oh, he big mad. Oh, and I'm big dead. Damn. Well, okay. I guess that's an improvement. Okay, yeah, it greatly slows down your speed, and we can't have that. Okay. I mean, it's not like Odur, you know, of Thymesia. That fight was a huge pain. Groggy. Okay. You can be... okay. Face a groggy enemy, right bumper. And who are groggy can inflict her. I don't doubt that. Thank you. But now I have to pick up my... Uh-oh, and, I do things this way currently because I have concerns about weight. I don't want to be heavy. See, slightly heavy. I don't want that. So, I do this. And equip. No, not that though. Hold on. Getting to that area, I'd rather just save this for later. Which did we unequip? Not that one. Oh my god, I can't even equip. Holy shnikes. It's not a good sign. Okay. Whee! I do stay here a bit to farm, because that is what I do. Hey, doggo. Alright, and you're next. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Should we try now? I don't know, I scared. So, let's see. Whee! Might as well. Festival. Well, quite frankly, well, it seems like the Fable doesn't do much. Not to me. I electrocute you. Okay. Okay. Oh, damn it. I got uh-oh'd. Alright. There we go, that's better. Yeah, better? Now we're trapped. No! Damn it! Why are we trapped? I guess we gotta be aware of our surroundings. Okay. What the hell is that on his head? Like, okay. Hey, you have to stop, like, spamming buttons. No more spamming buttons. Okay? Bad habit. Alright. Oh, please, no! Ah! What the hell? By guarding... Oh, we'll be okay. Yeah, well, now we know. Hooray! We're still getting the gist of it, so that's good. So... we'll just keep trying. And you'll see me again when I beat him. It's a win, by the way. Not if. Not like Odor. Oof. I think he got easier, though, in Amnesia. I gotta try again sometime. Can't hurt, you know?